but the water was coming through my drain down there and then through my shower drain. I can show you a picture of that. And it was just coming through.
It was a shock to the system for Toronto resident Robert Belvedere. Like so many in his Etobicoke neighborhood and across the city, his basement flooded amid the torrential downpour nearly 2 weeks ago.
We had some sub pumps pumping the water out, but it was as fast as we were pumping it out, you know, it was coming back in. So it just felt like you couldn't do anything until it was over.
When it was over, he didn't realize he'd be in for another big surprise. Robert's basement had flooded previously about 10 years ago due to a sewer backup. At the time, the insurance company took care of it all without issue, covering him for about $50,000. But this time was different.
We were paying the same amount, the same rate, so we thought, great. We watched the floodwater come in and say, don't worry, guys, we're covered like the last time, until they said, no, look at your policy. And we looked at it, we never agreed to change that.
The insurance policy now only covers up to $10,000 with a $5,000 deductible. That means the max you can get from them is $5,000.
It's only $5,000.
And you're looking at maybe $25,000
on the minimum side.
Robert says the insurance company told him that he and his wife verbally agreed to the change in coverage back in 2020.
That's what they're saying, and we were saying there would be no way that we would agree to that after having a flood and knowing the damage. If anything, we would have more coverage.
We reached out to their company Desjardins. In a statement, a spokesperson telling City News, quote, whenever a policy change is completed, it is our policy that the insured receives written communication. We can confirm that a written notification was sent out to the clients on November 17, 2020. They add that those impacted by the recent flood should reach out to their claims advisor. But Robert says they never received written notification and want to hear the call where they agreed to the policy change. Now they're not sure where to turn. In Etobicoke, Natividad, City News.